Well, Dr. Jim Orvick from the Oregon Pet Clinic is here, taking your calls at 270-9933. Good to see you again.
Good to be here.
We have a couple of follow-ups from last time you were on. Somebody wanted to just clarify something. Somebody called wondering when's the time to put an animal down.
Right. And my answer at that time was, well, you know, if he seems to be enjoying life, but there's more to it. My criteria always were, if the dog is aware of what is going on, has control of stool, has control of urine, then it's okay to keep it around. But once it loses those three things, it's not enjoying life much anymore. So.
And they can't really talk to you.
No, but you know, if they sit and stare in the corner and they got no control at all, then it's time to do it.
All right, let's get to the phones. We'll start with Andrea in Madison. Hi, what's your question?
Hi, yes, my daughter's going to be moving back home, and she has a male cat, and I have 4 female cats, and I'm wondering the best way to introduce them.
I always had people keep them in separate rooms for a while so that they knew they were in there, but didn't interact or argue. And as they get used to the smell of the other cat being in there, then gradually bring it out, but it might take few weeks to get.
Especially with 4.
Yes, yeah.
They're going to gang up on it.
If there's one that seems especially aggressive or wanting to mark, there are drugs you can use to take away that territorialness. So
just keep them separated, get them used to the sound and the smells.
Yep.
All right. Let's go now to Jackie in Madison. Hi, Jackie. Jackie, you there?
Kathy?
Oh, Kathy. Go ahead, Kathy.
Sorry about that.
No, that's our fault. Go ahead.
I have a beautiful calico, and she's about 13 years old, and she's never been an outside cat, and she's always begging to go outside now, and I don't know what else to do about that.
Yes.
She have her claws and...
Yeah, she's got claws, and she's got...
Well, yeah,
you know,
the thing
she's never
right.
been an outside cat.
A cat that's never been an outside cat should not go out without supervision. I mean, take her out and have a leash or whatever, but stick around because they do get into trouble.
If they're not used to being outside.
Right. We've had cats dropped at our place that had been city cats, and they can get into trouble.
Just keep her inside.
Yeah.
All right, Robert in Elroy. Hi, Robert.
How you doing, Mark?
Good. What's your question?
I got a question. I got about a 5-year-old cat. She done real good with eating and stuff like that, but now in her probably her 5th year, she eats food, and all of a sudden, about 5-10 minutes later, she regurgitates it.
Yeah.
And every different spot of the house, wherever she regurgitates. So she's not getting her full diet.
Okay.
So I don't know what I can do about that.
Well, it's not an unusual condition for a cat to turn into a vomiting cat, and sometimes it's the food itself. A lot of the time it's the cat. There's something, an inflammatory disease or something going on. So you could try switching foods to start with to a hypoallergenic type food, but if that doesn't help, I'd take her in and get her checked out because I've found all kinds of different causes for cats to vomit after they eat.
And it did up to 5 years.
Yeah,
something
it was
changed.
fine. Something has happened.
So maybe get her checked out.
Yep.
A lot of kitty questions today.
Yeah.
All right, we're out of time. If you're on the line, stay there. Jim will talk to you off the air. We'll see you in September, of all things.
Fall already.
I know.
Yes.
We'll be right back with a final check of your forecast.